Gentlemen, let me ask you something honestly. What if I told you there's a single spot on your body about the size of a coin that, when massaged for just 1 minute a day, could help support blood flow, improve sensitivity, and potentially reignite performance that may have faded over the years? Sounds almost unbelievable, right? Maybe even a little awkward. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly where that spot is, why it may work, and how a simple massage could become one of the natural techniques you've been missing. But before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button if you care about keeping your health strong after 50. Leave a comment and tell me where you're watching from. I love seeing men from all over the world supporting each other. And of course, subscribe so you don't miss future videos on men's health, vitality, and confidence. All right, let's talk about the truth behind this hidden spot. Most men believe that after 50, performance issues are simply part of aging. They think blood flow slows down, testosterone drops, and intimacy naturally becomes more difficult. So they either ignore the problem or reach for a little blue pill when things don't cooperate. But here's the truth. Age is not always the real enemy. Often the bigger issue involves circulation, lifestyle habits, and pelvic tension. Over years of sitting, stress, and inactivity, the muscles of the pelvic floor, the ones involved in erections, urination, and sensation, can become tight and weakened at the same time. Picture an old rubber band. It's stretched out and tight, but it has lost its snap. That's similar to what may happen in the body. Blood vessels can become less flexible, nerves may become irritated or compressed, and suddenly what once happened naturally now requires more effort. But here's the encouraging part. By releasing tension and stimulating circulation in the right area, you may help support the system naturally. And the spot I'm talking about has been recognized for centuries in traditional practices, while modern research continues exploring how pelvic floor health and circulation affect male wellness. For those of you who are new here, I'm Dr. Sofia. I've spent years helping men improve vitality, confidence, and overall wellness through practical lifestyle approaches alongside medical guidance. I've seen firsthand how small, natural habits can help men feel stronger and more confident. Today, I want to walk you through one of the most underused techniques people talk about, perineal massage, sometimes referred to in traditional practices as the $1,000,000 point. But before I explain how to do it, let's talk about the most common mistakes men make that may interfere with performance and how this massage may help address some of them. Mistake number 3, ignoring pelvic tension. Most men don't realize their pelvic floor muscles may stay chronically tense. Stress, long hours of sitting, and even habits like frequently holding in urine can keep these muscles tight. What happens then? Circulation may become restricted, nerves may feel less responsive, and the area can become uncomfortable or sluggish. This massage may help release some of that hidden tension, almost like loosening a tight knot. Mistake number 2, relying only on pills. Medication may help some men in the short term, but it does not always address underlying lifestyle or circulation issues. That is why many men look for additional strategies that support long-term wellness. Techniques like pelvic relaxation, massage, movement, and better circulation habits can complement a healthier lifestyle. Mistake number 1, believing age automatically means decline. The biggest mistake is giving up hope. I've spoken with many men in their 60s and 70s who believed change was impossible, only to discover that healthier habits, better circulation, and pelvic care made a noticeable difference in how they felt. Now let's get practical. Step 1, find the spot. The area is called the perineum, located between the scrotum and the anus. Around the middle, you may notice a softer area. It can feel slightly sensitive, which is normal. Step 2, get comfortable. Sit on the edge of a chair or lie on your back with your knees bent. You want easy access without straining. Step 3, apply gentle pressure. Use your index and middle fingers. Press with the same firmness you might use to check whether a tomato is ripe. Firm, but not painful. Step 4, massage for 60 seconds. You can use small circles, 30 seconds clockwise and 30 seconds counterclockwise. Or try a gentle press and release method, holding for 5 seconds and then relaxing. Some men prefer light up and down motions. The key is to stay gentle and comfortable. Step 5, consider using oil. A small amount of oil may make the massage more comfortable. Castor oil is often used for massage because of its thick texture. Coconut oil is gentle and moisturizing. Some traditional practices also use black seed oil. Warm the oil between your hands first. Cold oil on sensitive skin is never pleasant. Step 6, timing. Do this once a day if it feels comfortable. Some men prefer the morning, while others like the evening as part of relaxation before bed. Think of it like exercise. Consistency matters more than intensity. 1 minute every day is usually better than doing too much at once. Now, I know some of you may feel awkward even hearing about this. Maybe you've never paid attention to this area before. Maybe you're thinking, is this really for me? Let me reassure you, taking care of your body is not strange or shameful. This is about comfort, circulation, and understanding how your body works. One man I spoke with, a 62-year-old, had almost given up on intimacy and confidence. After several weeks of focusing on pelvic relaxation, gentle massage, and healthier daily habits, he told me he noticed something unexpected. He felt more comfortable, more relaxed, and more like himself again. That is what this conversation is really about. Not just performance, but quality of life. So, gentlemen, here is the takeaway. Massage this area gently for about 1 minute a day if it feels comfortable. Consider using oil for comfort. Stay consistent and pay attention to how your body responds. And remember, vitality is not defined by age alone. Small, steady habits can support not only physical wellness, but confidence and connection too. If this message gave you hope, please hit that like button. It helps this information reach more men who may benefit from it. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're building a community of men who care about staying strong, informed, and proactive about their health. And share in the comments, what's one healthy change you're committed to making this week? This is Dr. Sofia reminding you that caring for your health is always worth the effort. Take one small step today. Your future self will thank you.